Hello there, my name is Richard McMunn from the psychometric testing website howtobecome.com, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to prepare for an English proficiency test. So this tutorial is perfect for anybody who has to undertake any type of English proficiency test, and it is also perfect if you just want to improve your knowledge of the English language. So to help you prepare for your English proficiency test, this is what I will cover during this tutorial. Number one, I will tell you the type of questions you will have to answer during an English proficiency test, because if you understand the type of questions you will have to answer, then you can prepare effectively. Number two, I will then give you a large number of example English proficiency test questions to work through live on the screen. And remember, the more practice you do, the higher your scores will be during the real test. And then finally, number three, I will tell you where you can instantly access my free online psychometric test questions and answers suite that contains even more example English proficiency test questions. So lots of reasons why you should stay tuned. And just very quickly, if you are new to this channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Literally thousands of you are passing your tests and your job interviews, and I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please just give the video a like, because that really does motivate me to create lots of content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Okay, let's start with the first type of English proficiency test question, and that is called insert the missing word. So I will put up on the screen an example test question. I will explain how to answer it, and I will then get you to try lots of them to improve your ability with the English proficiency test. Question number one. Which word, A, B, C or D, completes the sentence? So the sentence is, Mark was running for the bus blank. He was going to be late. And we are given four options, A, B, C or D. Which one is correct? Is it A, time, B, quickly, C, today, or D, because? Well, it's not time, because that doesn't make sense. Mark was running for the bus, time, he was going to be late. It's not quickly either. Mark was running for the bus quickly, he was going to be late. There would need to be a full stop after quickly for it to make sense. Mark was running for the bus quickly, full stop, he was going to be late. It's not C either, but it is D. Mark was running for the bus because he was going to be late. So the correct answer is D, because. And as I said, the more practice you do, the more questions you complete under timed conditions, that's important, the higher your scores will be. So now it's your turn to try some insert the missing word English proficiency test questions. So please put your answers to questions 2, 3, 4 and 5 in the comments section below the video for marking. Thank you very much. And I will come on here each day and mark your answers for you. Here we go. And on the right hand side there, I have put a timer. I'm just going to give you 10 seconds to answer each question, so you don't have very long. Question 2. Which word, A, B, C or D, completes a sentence? Jennifer blank to call her friend Alice for advice. Is it A, determined, B, might, C, want, or D, decided? Put your answer in the comments section below the video. Here's your timer. Brilliant. Well done. Question number 3. Which word, A, B, C or D, completes that sentence? Stuart blank his girlfriend a watch for her birthday. Is it A, present, B, brought, C, bought, or D, buyer? Here's your 10-second timer. Put your answer in the comments section. Thank you. Try one more. Question number 4. Which word, A, B, C or D, completes the sentence? Abdullah blank to the shops so he could beat the queue. Is it A, ran, B, cycle, C, sprint, or D, walk? Here's your timer. Brilliant. Well done. And let's try one more before we move on to a different type of English proficiency test question. Question number 5. Which word A, B, C or D completes the sentence? The local train blank at the station on time. Is it A, pulled, B, arrived, C, stop or D, arrive? Here's your timer. Fantastic, well done. And if you can answer these correctly, of course, within that 10-second time limit, you are doing brilliantly and you'll do really well during the real test. So let's now move on and try a different type of English proficiency test question. Don't forget, the more practice you do, the more confident you will become during the test. This time, it's spelling, everyone's favourite subject. Let me give you an example. Spelling test question, and I will then get you to try some difficult ones live on the screen. Question number 6. Which word, A, B, C or D, is spelt correctly? Only one of these 4 words is spelt correctly. Is it A, ingenious, B, Wednesday, C, sherbet or D, necessary? Well, there's only one of those words spelt correctly. It's not D, because that should have a C as the third letter instead of an S. So Necessary. It's not sherbet, because there is no R before the final T. It's not Wednesday. It's actually W-E-D-N. The D becomes before the N. So the correct answer is ingenious. So the answer there is A. So now it's your turn to try some spelling English proficiency test questions. Please put your answers to questions 7, 8, 9 and 10 in the comments section below the video for marking. Thank you very much indeed. Here we go. Question 7. Which word A, B, C or D is spelt correctly? A, immediate, B, accommodate, C, collectible, or D, guarantee. Only one of those words is spelt correctly. Which one is it? Here's a timer. Well done. Question number 8. Again, which word A, B, C or D is spelt correctly? A, miniature, B, occurrence, C, jewellery, or D, questionnaire. Only one of them is spelled correctly. Here's a timer. Excellent. Question number 9. Which word A, B, C or D is spelled incorrectly? So this time there's one of them spelled incorrectly. Don't forget to read the question. It's really important. Is it A, library, B, maintenance, C, perseverance or D, liaison? Now, 3 of those words are spelled correctly. There's only one of them spelled incorrectly. Tell me in the comments section below the video your answer to question 9. Here's a timer. Well done. Try one more before we move on. By the way, if you are enjoying this video, please give the video a like. Thank you so much. Which word A, B, C or D is spelled incorrectly? A, independent, B, guarantee, C, exhilarate or D, discipline. Only one of those words is spelled incorrectly. Which one is it? In the comments section below. Thank you. They're difficult, aren't they, these spelling ones? Okay, let's now move on and try a different type of English proficiency test question. This time, it's called sentence structure. Here's one example for you, and I will then get you to try some. So which 2 words need to be swapped for the sentence to read correctly? So if we read this English sentence, it doesn't make sense. Doctors advise us to ensure the recommended amount of fruit and vegetables to eat a healthier lifestyle. That does not make sense. We need to move 2 words. We need to swap 2 words to make that sentence read correctly. Which 2 words do we need to swap? Well, it's ensure and eat. So if we swap them around, it makes sense. Doctors advise us to eat the recommended amount of fruit and vegetables to ensure a healthier lifestyle. So this is a difficult type of English proficiency test question. So I want you to try some now live on the screen, please. So please put your answers to questions 12, 13, 14 and 15 in the comments section below the video for marking. Thank you very much. Question 12. Which 2 words need to be swapped for the sentence to read correctly? The elderly like to reminisce about their alive to not only make conversation but also keep their memories past. Which 2 words are you going to swap around? Here's a timer. Brilliant. Question 13. Again, which two words are you going to swap around to make the sentence read correctly? Emboldened by the pushed crowd, the athlete cheering herself to the absolute limit and made it to the finish line. Tell me two words which you will swap. Excellent. You can see by practicing lots of questions, it really helps to boost your confidence. Question 14. Which two words need to be swapped for the sentence to read correctly? After correctly fitting their abseiling, the harnesses team began their mountain descent. Tell me which two words you want to swap. Amazing. And try one more, please. Which two words need to be swapped for the sentence to read correctly? Susan had been so busy, forgotten for her holiday, that she had packing to pay for travel insurance. Which two words are you going to swap? Tell me in the comments section. Thank you very much. Here's a timer. Brilliant. Okay, you are making fantastic progress. Let's now move on again and try a different type of English proficiency test question. This time it's called Insert the Letter. This is fun, but a great way to stretch your knowledge and your ability when undertaking English proficiency tests. Here we go. Question 16. Which one letter will finish the first and begin the second word in each set? And we are then given four letters to choose from, N, E, F, T. So which one of those letters, N, E, F, T, will finish the first word and begin the second word in each set? Well, the correct answer is E. It's the only one that finishes the first word and begins the second in both sets. So if we put the E there, we get the word bear, B-A-R-E, and earn, E-A-R-N. And on the right-hand side, the second set, we get the word fare, as in bus or train fare, F-A-R-E, and also the word each, E-A-C-H. None of the other letters will work. So now it's your turn to try some Insert the Letter English proficiency test questions. Please put your answers to questions 17, 18, 19 and 20 in the comments section below the video for marking. Thank you. Question 17. Which one letter will finish the first and begin the second word in each set? You can choose from T, K, C, M. Here's your timer. Brilliant. Question 18. Again, which one letter will finish the first and begin the second word in each set? Your options are O-L-E-R. Question number 19. Again, which one letter will finish the first and begin the second word in each set? You can choose from N, D, E or R. Here's a timer. Okay, well done. And please just try one more for me. Thank you. Question 20. Which one letter will finish the first and begin the second word in each set? Is it P, M, R or F? Here's your timer. Fantastic. Well done. Let's now move on to a different type of English proficiency test question. This is called Move the Letter. Another fun type of test question to try. Question 21. Which one letter can be moved from the first word to the second word to create two new words? So we have to move one letter from the first word to the second word to create two new words. Which one letter is it? Well, if we move the I from that first word, let's take it out, we get the word pal, P-A-L. If we then move the I to the second word, P-A-N, we get a different word, pain, P-A-I-N. So if we insert the I between the A and the N, we get the word pain. So this is quite a difficult type of English proficiency test question to get correct. So the correct letter there is I. I'd like you to try some, please. So try some Move the Letter English proficiency test questions. Put your answers to questions 22, 23, 24 and 25 in the comment section below the video. Thank you very much. 22. Which one letter can be moved from the first word to the second word to create two new words? Here you go. Provided Ash, move one letter. Here's your timer. Yeah, these are difficult. Try another one. Question number 23. Which one letter can be moved from the first word to the second word to create two new words? Stag and train. Here's your timer. Put your answer in the comment section, please. Brilliant. Question 24. Which one letter can be moved from the first word to the second to create two new words? Descent and liver. Only one letter can be moved. Which one is it, please? These are difficult. Try one more, please. Question 25. Which one letter can be moved from the first word to the second word to create two new words? Bold, rain. Here's a timer. Fantastic. Let's move on to a different type of English proficiency test question. You're making excellent progress, by the way. Well done. Now, these are difficult. There, and there. Now, they all sound the same, but they are spelled differently and they have different usages. These come up all the time during English proficiency tests. Let's take a look at a sample question. Question 26. Which sentence is correct? A. The boys put their soccer balls away after gym class. B. The boys put their soccer balls away after gym class. Or C. The boys put their soccer balls away after gym class. So I've highlighted the word that you need to focus on in purple. There. Which one? Only one of them is correct. Which one is it? Well, the correct one is A. There. The boys put their soccer balls away after gym class. Let's see how you get on now. Please put your answers to questions 27, 28, 29 and 30 in the comment section below the video for marking. Here we go. Question 27. Which sentence is correct? There are always enough drinks for everyone. B. There are always enough drinks for everyone. Or C. There are always enough drinks for everyone. Only one of them is correct. Which one is it, please? Here's a timer. Question 28. Again, which one sentence is correct? They're not ready to take the test, the teacher declared. B. They're not ready to take the test, the teacher declared. Or C. They're not ready to take the test, the teacher declared. There's only one of them correct. Which one is it, please? Answer in the comments section. Thank you. Question 29. Which sentence is correct? They parked their car near to the shops. They parked their car near to the shops. Or C. They parked their car near to the shops. Only one is correct. Here's a timer. Question 30. Again, which sentence is correct? Sarah and Ahmed are still sleeping because they're tired. Is it B or C? Sarah and Ahmed are still sleeping because they're tired. A, B, C. There's only one of them correct. Please tell me in the comment section. Brilliant. Well done. You have been tremendous. Now, the next thing to do, if you want to accelerate your learning even further and try more English proficiency test questions, click that link in the top right hand corner of the video. Head through to my website, howtobecome.com, and you can get instant access, online access to free English proficiency test questions and other types of psychometric practice test questions to help you improve your ability and your scores during a real English proficiency or psychometric test. Please check it out. Finally, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's really important. Lots of you are passing your tests and job interviews. You are gaining success in your lives and careers by subscribing. Please make sure you subscribe and also give the video a like. It's a small ask, but it really does motivate me to create more content for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all the best for passing your English proficiency test. Have a great day.